The exhibition ΙΣΤΟΣ Web, Contemporary Artists' Books at Cercle Cité explores the history and evolution of the artists' books since its beginning in the 19th century to our current times. The title ΙΣΤΟΣ comes from the Greek word ΙΣΤΟΣ, meaning web, network, and also thread, and symbolizes a network of connections between artworks, spaces, and forms of expression. The exhibition brings together works by 16 contemporary artists, 8 from Greece and 8 from Luxembourg, who approach the concept of the book through a wide range of different media, including photography, sculpture, video, performance, installation, digital art, and poetic interventions. A key idea of the exhibition is that the entire gallery space becomes an expanded book. Reading is no longer limited to turning pages. Instead, it becomes a multisensory experience. The book is presented not simply as an object, but as a multimedia and interactive field that connects words, images, physical forms, and digital environments. The exhibition is further enriched by a selection of artist books from the collection of the National Library of Luxembourg, creating a dialogue between historical and contemporary works. The exhibition examines the relationship between the artist's books and new forms of reading and perception in the 21st century, asking how books can evolve and remain relevant in an increasingly interconnected and digitalized world.